To view the parameters and value tables associated with a measure, open the measure in the ETRM by clicking on the measure name in the measure catalog. Then click Supporting Data in the top menu. You can now see all the parameters and value tables associated with the measure. Click the parameter name to get more detailed information and to view the parameter table. Similarly, for value tables, click the table name to view the full value table. Alternatively, you can navigate directly to a value table by clicking the hamburger menu icon to the left of the Supporting Data link in the top menu, and then clicking on the value table name. You can browse the table using the navigation arrows, or you can enter Advanced Full Screen View for more options. Here you can set the starting row and the number of rows per page, and you can further refine the view using filters. To add a filter, simply click the Add a Filter button and select the parameter. Then select the specific value to apply the filter.